Perhaps you've enjoyed using Microsoft's Windows XP for the last 14 years or so. But what if you want to record your screen to make a video? Well, here's how you can do it. Open up your web browser and in the address bar, type in Microsoft's search engine Bing.com. Inside the search field, type in the word site, and then Microsoft.com, and then Windows Media Encoder. Now you can press enter or click the search button. The reason I used site:/Microsoft.com is because although Windows Media Encoder might be available for download from other websites, it's safest to choose Microsoft's website for a Microsoft product. Anything else runs the risk of downloading a virus. Down here at the bottom, we see Download Windows Media Encoder 9. Unfortunately, it appears to be for a different language. Same with this one. In fact, I couldn't find any English downloads, and that might be unsurprising since Microsoft's Windows XP reached the end of its lifetime in 2014. It might be tempting to download an English version from one of those other download sites, but once again, do you want your computer to get a virus? I doubt it. I chose the French download. Scrolling down and looking at the system requirements, we see Windows 2000 and Windows XP. Click the download button. And click your browser's save button and then choose a location to save it. I'm going to skip that. I'm also going to skip the installation. It's fairly straightforward. Once it's installed, you'll find a new directory in your C drive, Program Files, Windows Media Components, Encoder. And here we find the WMENC Windows Media Encoder.exe file. Open that. Choose this option to begin capturing your screen. And click the OK button. On the next page of the wizard, you can choose to capture a specific window, a region of your screen, or the entire screen. The check mark underneath there allows you to capture audio at the same time that you're recording your screen. I'm going to choose the middle option to capture a region of my screen. Clicking the next button of the wizard, you can click the button here to choose the region of your screen to capture by dragging a rectangle around it. Maybe I'll capture this region. Then click the next button. We can see that the coordinates of the rectangle that we just dragged are shown here. This check mark here will blink the border of the region that you've chosen during the capture of the screen. Then you choose a file name for the capture and click the next button. You can choose lowest quality, medium quality, or high quality, and then click the next button. You can choose a title, type in your name, 2016 My Company is the copyright, description, a test video, and then click the next button here. This check mark at the bottom of the last page of the wizard will allow you to begin capturing as soon as you click the finish button. I'm not going to choose that check mark, and I'll click the finish button. Once that's ready, you can click this button to begin capturing. You'll get a little warning here telling you about how to cease the capture. Click the OK button there. I've already created a test file, so I'm going to overwrite it. And maybe we'll do some things in here. All of this is being recorded. And once I've had enough of that, I will click the button in the taskbar representing the Windows Media Encoder program, and that will stop the recording. And then I click this button here to stop that. The file's been saved. I'll close this window. I'll minimize Windows Media Encoder. I'll go to the directory that I saved my test video to. And here it is here. I could watch it in VLC. We already see there's a preview for it that shows what it was that I was recording. And that's it. The end. Thank you.